What's up guys, I'm Suman from Stein, and in this video let's take a look at the top 5 best laptops that you can buy under 50,000 rupees. And the best part about this list is that you have a gaming laptop in here. So before moving on to this list, I just want to say one thing. Make sure you check the links in the description for the most updated pricing, because the prices of these laptops fluctuate a lot. So make sure you check the links in the description. And with that said, without wasting any precious time, let us begin. The first laptop on this list is the HP 14S DY5008TU. Now this has the Intel Core i3-1250U. It has 8 GB of RAM, which is user accessible. It has 512 GB of SSD. It has a 14-inch Full HD display, and it weighs only around 1.46 kilograms. And for 42,000 rupees, I think this here is a pretty good laptop for anyone who wants a 14-inch laptop that is going to perform well for their day-to-day tasks. Next on this list, we have the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3. Now this is powered by the Ryzen 5 5500U. It has 16 GB of RAM, comes with a 512 GB SSD, has a 15-inch Full HD IPS display, and it weighs around 1.65 kilograms. And for 44,000 rupees, I think this here is an amazing laptop, because you get 16 gigs of RAM standard, which is going to help you a lot with multitasking and RAM intensive applications. Next up, we have the HP 15S EQ2182AU. Now this is similarly spec'd to the previous Lenovo IdeaPad, coming with the Ryzen 5 5500U, 16 GB of RAM, 512 GB SSD, a 15-inch Full HD display. Now the only big differences between both are, like, the Lenovo has an IPS display, whereas the display on HP is not going to be as great as the Lenovo. So not much of a difference. So if you prefer Lenovo, you can go with that. If you prefer HP, you can go with this. And I've just made sure you guys have various options to select from. Fourth in this list, we have the Asus VivoBook 16X. Now this is powered by the Ryzen 5 5600H. Now this is kind of like a gaming grade CPU. It comes with 8 GB of RAM. It has a 512 GB SSD, comes with a 16-inch Full HD display, and this weighs around 1.8 kilograms. And for 47,000 rupees, I think this here is an amazing laptop for anyone who wants a 16-inch laptop. Now not many laptops come with 16 inches at this price point, and for anyone who wants a bigger display, I think this is the one to go with. And the last laptop on this list is a gaming laptop from Lenovo, and this is the Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3. Now this is powered by the Ryzen 5 5600H, comes with 8 GB of RAM, has a 512 GB SSD, comes with a 15-inch Full HD display, and this is a 120Hz display, and it has a GTX 1650. Now when you compare this with the Asus, most of the specs are similar, but you get a dedicated gaming GPU on this version. Of course, don't expect a 3050 or a 3060, because this is only around 50,000 rupees, and for that price, getting a 1650 is amazing. So if you want to do light gaming, some casual stuff, CSGO, or if you want to play GTFI at low settings or medium settings, then this can definitely handle that without any issues. And for anyone who's getting into gaming for the first time, I think this should be a pretty good buy. And since you have user upgradable RAM, you can also upgrade the RAM to 16 gigabytes, which is amazing and great for future proofing your laptop. But remember, the prices of this laptop in particular fluctuate a lot, so make sure you check the links in the description for the most updated pricing. With that said, these are the 5 amazing laptops that I would personally recommend to anyone who wants a laptop under 50,000 rupees. Now I'll have the links to all these laptops in the description below, and please make sure you check those for the most updated pricing, because as I say again, prices fluctuate a lot. With that said, thanks for watching, and this here is Suman signing off once again. Catch you later.